Hey guys, what's up? This is Sahil Vats and today I'm going to give you the review of Comway Broadband after using it for more than a month. Since you can see over here that I have already used 40 days of my 90 days uh, pack which I am currently using. Okay, and the plan speed is 50 Mbps and current usage of mine till now is 556 GB, if you can see it over here. So we are going to do the speed test and everything, and I will be giving you the review of this one whole month, that what was my experience with this Comway Wi-Fi. Okay, so that you make the right choice in choosing your broadband connection. So let's begin the video. So as you can see over here on the notepad, that first I have just categorized in some few factors that would be determining the quality of this Comway Wi-Fi, and first one in this factor is speed. So as I already told you in my previous videos also, I have already done 3 videos on that, and and you must have seen that the speed was really good in all the all the video which I have still done. Okay, so if I tell you about the speed, I have given 9 out of 10 because I have a 50 Mbps plan, and it has been consistently giving me the speed between 55 to 65 Mbps on my 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Okay, there are two Wi-Fi in this same modem, that is 2.4 GHz for longer range and 5 GHz for shorter range to get the better quality. Okay, so so the speed is good, and we are going to do the live speed test also, so as to show you right now what is the speed coming. Okay, so I have already connected with my 5 GHz Comway Wi-Fi. As you can see over here, the server over here is Airtel Broadband. Okay, so let's just start the speed test. This is a live speed test. Let's start it. Okay, so now it is connecting. So we are getting the ping of 5 ms and jitter of 1 ms, which is really very good. Okay, so here you can also see that I have a 50 Mbps plan and I am getting more than 50, so it's always a win-win for me. Okay, and upload is also good, both is really good. Okay, its upload never get failed. Sometimes there is little bit inconsistency in download speed, but its upload always it is consistent, and I really like it upload speed, because I took this connection basically for YouTube only, since I have 4 channels. So I used to upload many videos in 4K also, so that's why I needed mainly for upload, and that's why I choose this network. Okay, so this was all about the speed. So next which we are going to cover with that is customer care. So don't just get wooed by the speed, because we are coming to the main part now. So the customer care I have given 2 out of 10. Okay, so why I have given such low rating to this? Because their customer care is really the poorest I have ever seen. Okay, so what happens here, you can see that you have given the number of 9711443333. Okay, so if you dial this number, it will get connected in 2 or 3 times. Okay, sometimes what they do, when we are going to dial, they just keep your phone like that, and there is no ring or anything, and your call is still connected. Okay, so this type of behavior I have experienced recently with them when my internet was not coming. Okay, then that time I have called to their customer care, and it was really poor. And they always say that if you want a technician support, they always say that there will be a call from our technician within a 1 hour of calling, but you never get a call. Trust me, I have tried it so many times. Like recently only I had just a breakdown of this Wi-Fi. The internet connection was not coming, so I have made more than 20 or 30 calls minimum to their number, and really, to be honest, I didn't got any perfect solution for it. So just watch this video at the last of it, and I will be giving you some tips that how you should purchase this Wi-Fi, because this is really important, because after sale service is really important. So I will be giving you some tips also, that how will you purchase it, whether you should buy from the company itself or your local operator. Okay, So customer care is really very poor. So in that part, I really would not prefer this Wi-Fi, because the customer care is the main service, because many of them may have breakdown of internet connection, and there's only service which can fix this up. So it was really poor. So it's a kind of risky venture to invest in. Also, I have also tell them about to send a technician to my house, but they were no technician came to my house. Okay, so even after getting the confirmation from the customer care executive itself, there was no technician that came to my house till now. So what happened, I was not getting this internet sign. This is red when internet is not coming, then this is green when internet is coming. Okay, so there was no light coming in this. So I was very tensed at that time, because my whole work was paused for a while, because internet is really very important in these days especially. So I called their customer care and there was no response. I called them many times. They have wasted my so much time, and I was really frustrated with them at that time. So and at last what I did, I configured it myself. They were saying that come to our office and we will fix your this Wi-Fi router. Okay, but in this pandemic time I don't prefer going outside, so that's why it was really not good of Comway to give such experience to their valuable customers. So what I did, at last I configured the Wi-Fi with myself, by myself only, since I knew. But there are many people who don't know such technical stuff, so there will be a much problem in that. Okay, so I really didn't like their customer care and after sales services. Okay, talking about the consistency, that how much breakdown this Wi-Fi have. So I've given it is a quite good. I didn't face a major breakdown in this. Okay, so internet is coming consistently. It was just if I tell you about in a month, so there were 2 days when internet was totally shut down, which I already told you that I had a problem and I had called to there, but there was no response. And at the end, I find out myself that what was the problem, and it is myself only that who fixed this problem. Okay, so there was no technical support with them. I have called on many numbers they have provided, and I have called the whoever who came to my house to put on the Wi-Fi, and there was many numbers I took from friends also, but there was literally no response. And they were and at one number they also blocked my number also, so that they won't receive my call, because I have been calling them consistently, since they are not providing the proper resolution to my problem. Okay, so they were, if I talk to about till now, in 40 days I have 2 days in which net was not coming, and I was really frustrated at that time. Okay, so but after that I fixed it myself, so it was working properly. So if I talk about the overall review of this, so this is a good broadband service. Okay, it's a cheap one, but it's a risky one. Okay, so it may work on your locality, or it may not work on a locality, and the customer care is really very poor of this broadband, but the speed is really very high. Okay, and they are providing more speed than their plan, which is really good. Okay, so if I want to yes, I want to give you some tips. Okay, so first of all, that if you are purchasing this Comway broadband, never purchase from the company itself, never call on their company care executive. Okay, because what will happen when if you have any problem, like if you purchase from the company and if you have any problem, you again have to call their customer care services, and everything will be processed from their company itself, which is really long, and they never respond to call, and it's really very bad. Okay, you will become frustrated. So what I suggested, always take this Wi-Fi from your local operator which is operating in your society. Okay, always take from that. I have also taken from that only. Okay, and if I have any problem, I faced problem once only, and at that time only, the person who helped me the most was my local operator only, from whom I have taken this Wi-Fi. Okay, so I would recommend you to take from your local operator only, because in the company you will just become frustrated if there is single network issue problem. Okay, so this was the tip. So at last I would like to say, you buy from your local operator. Okay, and it is a bit risky venture, but after all, if I say overall, the speed was really good and I didn't had a major issue other than this customer care and after sale services. So you can go for this Wi-Fi, and as I already said, it will totally depend on your locality, the speed and everything. Okay, since I am getting more than the speed which is on which the plan I have registered. Okay, so it's totally depend on the locality. Okay, so you should check your speed first before taking, and take review from the person who are already having this Wi-Fi at your locality. Okay, and always purchase from your local operator, so that in case you incur any problem, you can directly call them and they come directly to your doorstep and fix the thing. Okay, because if you purchase from Comway, then you are falling into a trap. So if I want to give the overall rating to this, I would give 6 out of 10 or 7 out of 10. Okay, 7 out of 10 is great. Okay, so it's a bit risky, but it's like good Wi-Fi. Just one issue, which is customer care and after sale services. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. You can share with your friends also, if you are able to make the good decision of purchasing whether Wi-Fi, and tell me in the comment section that how was your experience with this Wi-Fi, so that we can have a little bit chat over there. And if I will be able to help you also, I will be commenting in the comment section only. So thank you guys for watching, and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and goodbye, take care, tada.